Hi viewers, welcome back to Exquisite Escalation, your communication skills augmentative platform at simul.com.pk. Today you will learn the most famous and widely spoken West Germanic language, German. When you decide to learn a new language, then to understand its basic alphabet and pronunciation rules is the most essential step to heading to correct direction. By learning its rules of pronunciation, you will diminish the risk of dispersion in the midway of your learning track actually. So your beginning should be impactful and precise to correct path to acquire worthwhile consequences. Alright? Now some basic elaboration about this language. German is West Germanic language that is spoken in Central European countries officially and co-officially. Moreover, it is spoken by German community of Belgium, Liechtenstein and Italy. It is the third official language of Luxembourg and co-official language of Poland. German has strong similarities with Norwegian, Swedish and Danish, especially on written and text basis. Its accent differs the resemblance with North Germanic language group. It is one of the major languages in the world according to its popularity by means it is spoken by around 100 million peoples around the globe and it is the most widely spoken native dialect in the European Union. German is an inflected language with 4 cases of nouns, pronouns and adjectives, nominative, accusative, genitive and dative, 3 genders, masculine, feminine and neuter, 2 numbers, singular and plural with weak and strong, regular and irregular verbs. There are 3 different variants in German language, Germany, Swiss and Österreichisch. But in this series, you will learn the German according to German standard. In first section, you will listen German alphabet, including 5 basic and 3 umlaut vowels and 22 consonants. There are 30 letters in German alphabet. Let's have a closer look to understand how we pronounce these letters one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, Ö, U, Z. These are German alphabet and now in this section I shall define the both position of German vowels. Actually to abstract a very quick pronounced sound in German word, a short vowel is being used and to abstract a long sound, a long vowel is being used. Here we have some pertinent examples to understand their both positions, either it is used as short vowel or long vowels. A. When it is used as short vowel, very fast, quick pronounced sound A, as in man, glatt, man, glatt. And when it is used as a long vowel in German word, then a bit longer sound is pronounced. Par, ramen, mal. Par, ramen, mal. A. Net, breath. Net, breath. Male, hail. Male, hail. E. Bis, Licht. Bis, Licht. Kino, in. Kino, in. O. Toll, voll. Toll, full. Frohe oben, frohe oben. Ü. Fuß, Mund, Fuß, Mund. Schule, Stuhl, Schule, Stuhl. Bälle, fällen, Bälle, fällen. Gepäck, Geschäft, Gepäck, Geschäft. Schön, möglich, schön, möglich. Hören, hören. Glück, süß, Glück, süß. Über Tür, über Tür. And now in this section you will listen these 22 consonants one by one, how actually we pronounce all these letters while standing at different position in German words. Bear. This letter two different sounds. Normally it is pronounced like B, as in Bus, Bahn, Bus, Bahn. When it appears at the end of German word, then it is pronounced like P, as in Gelb, Gelb. Se. This letter is pronounced like K, as in Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. De. This letter also has two different sounds. Normally it is pronounced like D, as in Dach, Decke, Dach, Decke. When it appears at the end of German word, then it is pronounced like T, as in Sind, Mund, Sind, Mund. F. This letter is pronounced like F, as in Fehler, Fernsehen, Fehler, Fernsehen. G. This letter has three different sounds. Normally it is pronounced like G, as in Garten, Garten. When it appears at the end of German word after E vowel, then it is pronounced like sh, as in billig, niedrig, billig, niedrig. At the same position after Ü vowel, it is pronounced like k, as in Zug, Zug. Ha. This letter is pronounced like h, as in hoch, heiß, hoch, heiß. Jut. It is pronounced like j, as in jag, ja, jag, ja. Ka. This letter is pronounced like k, as in Kino, klein, Kino, klein. L. This letter is pronounced like L, as in Leute, Lampe, Leute, Lampe. M. It is pronounced like M, as in Man, Markt, Man, Markt. N. This letter is pronounced like N, as in Neu, niedrig, Neu, niedrig. P. It is pronounced like P, as in Postamt, Prüfung, Postamt, Prüfung. Q. This letter is pronounced like K, as in quiz, aquarel, quiz, aquarel. R. This letter two different sounds. When it appears as a first letter in German word, then it is pronounced like R, R, a pure guttural sound you might have listened in French and Danish. Rind, Rot, Rose. Rind, Rot, Rose. Elsewhere it is pronounced like R, R, more thrilling sound as compared to English. Frau, Frau, S. This letter has three different sounds while standing at three different positions in German word. When it appears as a first letter in German word, then it is pronounced like Z, as in Sie sind. Sie sind. At the same position by appearing as first letter in German word but before P and T consonant, it is pronounced like Sh, as in spät, statt, spät, statt. Elsewhere it is pronounced like S, as in Gast, Gast, T. This letter has two different sounds. First, as in T, T, as in Tafel, Tafel. And the second pronunciation of this letter is T, T, as in Toya, Toya. V, V. This letter is pronounced like F, F, as in Vogel, Vogel. V. It is pronounced like V, as in want, weiß, want, weiß. X. This letter is pronounced like X, as in maximal, maximal. Y. It is pronounced like U, U, as in system, system. The last letter of German alphabet, Z, is pronounced like Z, Z, as in Zimmer, Zug, Zimmer, Zug. And now this section you will learn German diphthongs, how two or more vowels are pronounced while standing together in German words. A, E, A, E. These both combinations are pronounced like I, as in Reis, Mais, Reis, Mais. A, Ü. This combination is pronounced like Au, as in Bauch, Rau, Bauch, Rau. E, Ü, E, Ü. These both combinations are pronounced like Oe, Oe, as in Neu, Räuber, Neu, Räuber. And now in this section, you will learn some consonant combinations that are very, very essential to understand in German language. Say ha, say ha. If this combination appear after this vowel list that is shown now, is pronounced like sh, sh, as in Reich, mich, Küche, durch. Reich, mich, Küche, durch. And if this combination appeared after this vowel list that is shown now, then it is pronounced like h, as in Bach, Bauch, Loch, sucht. Bach, Bauch, Loch, sucht. SCH, SCH. This combination is pronounced like sh, sh, as in schwer, falsch, schwer, falsch. DSCH, DSCH. This combination mostly used in foreign words, not in German words, but you're supposed to know how it is pronounced actually. It is pronounced like J, J, as in Jebel, Djibouti, Jebel, Djibouti. TSCH, TSCH. This combination is pronounced like Ch, as in Deutsch, Deutsch. T-I-O-N, T-I-O-N. This combination mostly appears at the end of German word and pronounced like Zion, Zion, as in Aktion, Funktion, Aktion, Funktion, Gede. This combination also appears at the end of German word and pronounced like Kate, Kate, as in Jagd, Jagd. We write it Jagd, but we pronounce as Jagd, Jagd. Er, er. This letter also mostly appears at the end of German word and pronounced like as in Vater, Mutter, Schwester, Bruder, Fia, Tia. Vater, Mutter, Schwester, Bruder, Fia, Tia. That's all, viewers. I hope this lecture video will be proven a confidence booster and lead you to read and write German language at very initial stage and assure you your track is refulgent and you would be fluent ultimately. Stay tuned to smash entire barriers constraining your effective communication at your dream destination, and let's talk to the world with simul.com.pk. See you guys in next video with very essential topic. Till then, try to repeat this lecture video several times until you require a perfect pronunciation grip on German language. Stay safe, keep learning, bye-bye.